Good afternoon. Please. Narrate all the work you have done. Want to remember ourselves.
I will never forget you. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's been an honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Emmanuelle.
Audience with President Tinubu. Can you tell us what was discussed at the meeting?
Yes, well, I'm very, very grateful and honored to have had the opportunity to bid farewell to His Excellency the President after 2 years and 3 months of an amazing time in tour of duty in Nigeria. I expressed to the President how much I'm grateful for all I have received here in Nigeria, from the people, from the country. It's really, I've taken huge pride and honor in representing my country here and in contributing to the deepening of the relations between our two countries, and to witness also major achievements and new projects, especially with the youth, the amazing and talented youth of Nigeria. I took a few minutes also to present some of the achievements and some of the things I'll take away from Nigeria on the economic side, where France is the second bilateral foreign direct investor in Nigeria. I also mentioned the impressive work that has been done by the French companies who invest here, create companies, farms, vocational training centers, the French companies. I also mentioned, the contributions of the French Agency for Development that is now present in 26 out of the 36 states in Nigeria, and that has invested, over 3 billion euros over the last 10 years. I also mentioned to His Excellency the President, the pride we have taken in supporting the cultural and creative industries, the youth, in many new sectors such as esports, video games, animation. It's been a delight for me to see all these young Nigerian talents thrive and be able to showcase their talent and their skills in abroad, especially in France and in Europe. It's been a series of wonderful experiences, and that's what I told His Excellency the President. And I also mentioned that in my new position as Director for Africa, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, where I'll be starting to work next week in Paris, I'll make sure that Nigeria stays high on the agenda for France. And His Excellency the President was kind enough to mention the quality and the excellence of our bilateral relations, and said he was looking forward to deepen them in the future. And I also mentioned that we also count on Nigeria to play a greater role, not only in the sub-region or in the continent, but worldwide, as a global and major actor worldwide on all the global issues. Nigeria has a major role to play, and we're happy to partner with you anytime.
Okay, just one more question.
Yes.
President Tinubu's first visit after he was inaugurated as president was to France.
Absolutely.
And what's the significance of that as you leave the country?
Well, I think we took a lot of pride in that, but also I must mention that France was the only country represented at ministerial level at the inauguration, actually, of His Excellency President Tinubu, and we were representing not only France but all the whole of the European Union. And so I think it shows the quality of the relations, of the political relations, not only between our countries but also between our two presidents. I think they're close and not betraying any secret. But and so no, we're very proud of that. And once again, that occasion, it wasn't a bilateral visit. It was an invitation to France by President Macron for a global summit on new financial partnerships. And I think it was very important for us that President Tinubu was present and that Nigeria was represented along with some of our African leaders, but mostly world leaders with these issues. Thank you. I will definitely. I will miss you very much. Oh, thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.